Welcome everyone and thank you for joining us today. We are the team behind Field Logic, a project that embodies the spirit of innovation in agriculture. We are here to show you how we are sowing seeds of innovation to reap success in the field. Let me introduce you to our team members Ritobroto Duari, Ayush Chakraborty, Oran Sujato, and Riddhibroto Maji. We are guided by our esteemed teacher Uma Prasad De, and we proudly represent Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapit Purulia. We call ourselves the Green Guardians because we believe in safeguarding our agricultural heritage while pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thank you for being here and let's embark on this journey together. Every year, Indian farmers face losses that are both enormous and preventable. In Rajasthan, Kharif crops suffer an average 30 to 40% damage, with districts like Savai Madhopur reporting losses as high as 90%. Across Karnataka, crops worth Rs 550 crore were destroyed over 5.2 lakh hectares in a single season. Floods along the India-Pakistan border threaten up to 1 million hectares, sending food prices soaring. These numbers are more than statistics. They reflect real struggles. Wild elephants raid fields in South India, sudden heat waves dry crops overnight, and unexpected rainfall ruins stored grain. Pest infestations often go unnoticed until it's too late. Many farmers still rely on manual field checks, which are too slow to protect their harvests. The consequences are devastating. Smaller yields, rising debts, and families forced to abandon their fields. India's food security and the livelihoods of millions of hard-working farmers hang in the balance. Clearly, relying on traditional methods alone is no longer enough. Farmers need a smarter, faster, and farmer-friendly solution that can predict, protect, and preserve their harvests before disaster strikes.
FieldLogic is a complete smart farming ecosystem designed for today's Indian farmers. By combining artificial intelligence, sensors, drones, robotics, and traditional water harvesting methods, it protects crops, conserves water, and remains farmer friendly and affordable. Every module works together seamlessly, giving farmers a simple yet powerful way to monitor, manage, and safeguard their fields. This integrated approach ensures that technology and tradition work hand in hand to create a smarter, sustainable, and resilient agricultural system. Wild animals and sudden fires can destroy crops overnight. FieldLogic solves this with ultrasonic sensors that detect animal movement and send instant GPS alerts to the farmer's mobile device. An autonomous rover patrols the fields, monitoring gas levels to detect fires and spraying a temporary fire repellent if needed. With real-time alerts and automated protection, farmers can prevent crop loss before it happens, keeping their harvests safe around the clock. Weather changes and pest attacks often strike without warning. FieldLogic uses a smart weather station to track temperature, humidity, and rainfall in real time, while drones capture high resolution images of every part of the farm. AI then analyzes these images to identify dry areas, pest infestations, and unhealthy crops. By giving farmers timely, actionable insights, FieldLogic allows them to respond quickly, preventing damage and maximizing yield. Water is one of the most valuable resources in farming. Using AI, FieldLogic irrigates only the areas that truly need water, energy, and preventing waste by saving. At the same time, the system integrates the traditional Khadin method to store rainwater for later use. This combination of modern technology and time-tested practices ensures crops stay hydrated efficiently even during dry periods, boosting productivity while conserving resources. FieldLogic also turns agricultural waste into value. Crop residues are converted into biochar to enrich soil fertility, biodegradable plates, and water filters. Biogas generated from farm waste powers irrigation pumps, drones, and household appliances, ensuring energy access even in off-grid villages. By transforming waste into wealth, FieldLogic supports farmers economically, reduces environmental harm, and makes the farming system sustainable, efficient, and future ready.
What are the direct benefits to farmers in using field logic? Field logic shields crops from wild animals, detects fires before they spread, and delivers water only where it's needed. By saving energy, reducing costs, and ensuring timely irrigation, it gives farmers the confidence of a secure and productive harvest. What is the impact on community and environment? Beyond individual farmers, field logic empowers entire villages. It creates skilled rural tech jobs, prevents stubble burning by turning agricultural waste into biochar, and conserves water through AI controlled irrigation. Together, these benefits help communities thrive while restoring and protecting the environment. What is the impact on nation or nationwide transformation? With government support and a cooperative implementation model, field logic can scale from single farms to entire states. It reduces crop losses, strengthens food security, and brings India closer to a future where smart technology and traditional farming wisdom grow together.